Hey everyone, want to grow your audience and keep them engaged? Today I'm going to show you how to launch an email newsletter from Mixo AI. Let's get started. First, open the Mixo AI and log into your account. Then here in the main page, there is a prompt box. Enter your newsletter name and put a short description. You need to be detailed and specific about the description, especially the idea of your name. Then here, click next after typing. Then you can now set your goal. For newsletter, the best choice is to collect subscribers. You can also choose from link to site or get contacted or schedule appointments depending on your needs. And the Mixo AI will generate your newsletter page with sign up form, description, and design elements ready to go. You can now review and customize the content or images, then publish your page to start gathering subscribers. And that's all. In just minutes, you can have a professional newsletter page ready to grow your email list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.